Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode I will be showing how to transform some of old clothes and restyle it. Let's begin. So first remove the inseam stitch of the patiala band. It will give more fabric for the project. I have removed the upper part of the band. I feel it's unnecessary. And here you have the fabric for the project. And I'm tracing the outline using my top, which is not stretchable and that fits me well. Since I want my top to be a crop top, so मैंने इसकी लंबाई 5 इंच छोटा कर दी. So for the neckline, back will be curved and then front will be a triangle. I couldn't record it because I forgot to record. There you have your front and back piece. Follow same steps for the arms as well. For the clean finished look neckline, using a thin strap of fabric, I'm stitching it into the right side neckline of the top. After you finish stitching the strap, fold it over to the wrong side of the top and then top stitch it. So the neck part is over, and for the armhole, hem stitch it and close stitch the side of the top. Now using the remaining fabric, make a long strap for the ruffles. And this is how I made my ruffles. Fold over and stitch it, and keep on repeating it till you have reached the other end. Then top stitch a ruffle over the right side of the top. It will make the ruffles to stay naturally downward. So for this next top, I'm removing the button part and the elastic part of the top. After I cut the bottom part, I made one long strap for the ruffles. After the ruffles are done, close stitch the center and top stitch. Lastly, add buttons over the center front stitch, and we are done here.
Hi guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye.